outside Okinawa. Gee, I know it's a party later. Mad thing, more fire. We're just outside the bad hotel. I go and take a look. Easy. I'm burn up road now. See you later. It's a show no man. Infinite. Nice. Room. So we're on the move again. Mad. Okinawa. Island half. Japan. Nice. More fire. That's the party then tonight. The Mexican today. In Okinawa. Mexican them say so. So what take them? Mexican place of people. I ain't gonna take on today in Okinawa. See it? Mexican. Try some Mexican food. You know me the other place of beer food. Me I try now. Food, beer food. Not Tuesday, but you know, a taco day, a taco Friday. Understand? Yeah, taco Fridays is it. That the G said. Yeah, man, a taco time. I try the taco, yeah. Tastes good, fresh and nice. Some chicken and beef taco. Voila! Man, taco settings. Okinawa, you know? Tastes good. Minty, you know, it have a nice flavor. I like it. Yeah, like it. Body steak on the island. So I'm going with it. I'm going and peppy and so I'm going. Hands, man. Body steak. And the gato. To the place? Nice. Nah, like, we give them 9 out of 10 as a steakhouse. Overall. You know what I mean? I mean, I have to compare to the Outback and the American steakhouse. That one. Bro. All type of things. But hands down, steakhouse good, hands. Not to lie. Steak, good. We get a 9 out of 10. Steak time. I know we are trying Hanks. Okinawan #1 steakhouse. So you know the thing go. We're on the island, we are trying everything. Snake, rum, everything. Now we have the lobster. What's if it's bad like Elsha lobster? And the, what is now? Sirloin. Alright, so Hanks we have. Let's see what Hanks are going with.
Hanks.
Don't get too hungry when you see. Salad time. I look for some god, you know. See, Japanese god, you know. And say all of the gods. All of the God of sea, God of money. See them? That them say, but you know we say one god. Rome. I go down a town, you know. Down a town that. Some Okinawa artifacts. Good luck and something. Right now we're there in the flea market, it look like, you know, the Okinawa flea market. You know what I mean? Flea market style. Get everything. Everything Japanese. See there? The snake look at them, man. See there? Korean. I drink some of the beer later and see what I go on with. Flea market walk. Okinawa flea market I go on. Quick walk through, you know? Quick walk through. True. See it here, man. 600 yen a shot, man. Yeah, man. 2 shot, man. Then I say, yo, take a shot and you see it? Yeah, man. Okinawa tequila. Okinawa tequila, is it? Alright. Original thing, them, man. Lamp, man. Then I say, I can't video them thing.